Hello.
It's me, Ashley, and Chris. Welcome back to my channel. Today, guys, we are doing, or Chris is going to do for me, a
Glossybox.
Glossybox unboxing.
Hey.
So we haven't actually done a Glossybox unboxing in a little while, so we're doing one now. Let us know if you guys want us to keep doing these, because I am thinking about dropping my subscription, to be honest, because I've got quite a build up of products. But let me know what you guys think. Let me know. So Glossybox, I think they might have just reduced the prices slightly lately. If you just subscribe a month at a time, a box will cost you £13.50, or I have a 12-month subscription which costs me £11.50 per month. You get 5 items, sometimes some bonus ones. Glossybox is usually a more makeup heavy box than some of the other ones, yada yada yada. Chris is going to open it and we're going to see what we've got this month. This is April's box.
Drum roll, please. Only one. Okay, so
ooh, it's a themed box.
Is
you can get it out.
No, I'm ripping the box, sorry.
It's fine.
I mean, not the actual proper box.
No.
I mean, there's...
No, ignore the leaflets. Me.
So, it is Bloom and Gloom. I don't know if you can see that because of the light.
You probably want to be a bit closer. So it focuses on the box.
Oh, there you go. Bloom and Gloom.
And it's like a different colour at the back. There we go. Ignore my nails, by the way, they're atrocious at the moment.
So I would call it an orange. No.
Bloom and Groom.
Bloom and Bloom and Grow.
Bloom and Grow.
All being wrong. Bloom and Groom, Bloom and Grow. I mean, what colour would you call that on the front? I would say orangey brown, but I'm sure you'll have some stupid made up.
Yeah, it's like a natural.
Natural. It's a natural
colour.
tone.
Yeah, natural
with
tone.
like some leaves and plant thingies and stuff. And then
I feel like you're going far more into this than you need to.
Back is a blue colour. Right then, so that's inside of the box.
Do you have to say I've caught it? Because sometimes they do.
No,
No,
I
it
think
doesn't.
so.
Oh, I think it's looked fantastic that you used to.
Put a card in if you
So
want
that's
to scan.
the QR code, which I will do.
Yeah. Inside the box, got a nice little blue
Oh, yeah,
crepe paper with a bow of material, which I'm going to undo. Okay, so I'm just diving in willy-nilly.
Yeah, no, find it on here. So the theme of this month's box then is, just usually tell you somewhere, there we go. Bloom and Grow. It is, while nature celebrates its radiant comeback, now is the perfect time to let ourselves grow and flourish. Allow yourself the time to get back your beauty roots and let nature inspire you with the products inside of this month's box. Okay,
so the first product is Frank Body, I'm guessing that's a brand. Caffeinated face moisturiser. It's travel friendly apparently. Crème hydrant pour le visage à la caffeine. I'm guessing that's French. So hydrate skin, promotes bouncy skin, and you've got to be 8 or over to use it.
Okay, this looks like it might be a either or type of a thing from Frank Body.
I don't think it's going to do its thing.
It's a deluxe size and it is worth £4.95. So which one was this one, sorry? The face moisturiser. Okay, looks like the other one did something for the body with the look of it. So we've got the face one in this one.
Apparently the thing on the back said it's tested on babes, not bunnies.
Ah, I like that.
Made in Australia and it's vegan friendly. So any vegans out there, it's a little snack as well.
I was going to say, don't tell people to eat it.
Look, it's a thing, it's got a slurping tube on it like a juice box.
It does look like the little yoghurt pouches you get.
Right, so
don't eat it, please.
Am I opening it then and trying it?
If you want to.
Well.
It's what is it? It's a moisturiser.
Yeah.
You go crazy, dear.
Yeah. Can't smell anything.
Did it say it was scented?
I don't know. Aren't they all scented? What should I moisturise?
Your face.
Particularly dry. Yeah, but there's a lot of it in there. I'm not doing the whole thing.
Well, just.
I've got a big old face.
Pick a bit.
The whole.
It's goes bathroom.
Yeah.
It's goes bathroom mirror. Batman mirror.
I was just going to randomly guess, but. I do tip of my nose. Ooh, I've put too much on the tip of my nose. Okay.
How does that feel compared to usual
moisturisers? Got a bit of a skin, bit of a smell. Not like not a nice smell, but not an awful smell. Just a producty smell.
Well, it's caffeinated. I don't know if it's because I had a cup of coffee not long ago. or if I can actually smell caffeine in it. It's probably not true, but
I mean that's fine. I mean, I've not long since put on my own moisturiser.
I've just put a bit on my hand. It feels nice.
Yeah.
Seems like I think I've put an okay amount on, and it feels like it's kind of got in nicely.
You'll know way more. Like, yeah.
Maybe put the lid on.
It feels like it's moisturised, so you can go into more detail, do you?
Okay. So yeah, that one was £4.95. So
chuck the lid, or has it gone?
You've got it. You put it on.
Oh, the lid.
Yeah.
No, it's in the box lid.
Oh, I don't know. It's behind you somewhere. The lid for the actual product.
I'm going to put it in there.
Okay.
Okay, next thing. I won't be trying this one, but it is a Great Lengths mascara. I mean, I can do it. Great Lengths mascara. Lengthening and thickening mascara. Formulated with jojoba oil and castor oil. Sorry, when obviously jojoba, I've got to do it.
This is from who?
Great Lengths mascara.
Oh, okay. It's from Beautinique Beauty, and it's called Great Lengths Mascara. Okay. It's worth £18. It'll thicken, lengthen and curl your lashes with Beautinique's Beauty Great Lengths Mascara. Contains conditioning ingredients. Your lashes are going to be strengthened from root to tip for a voluptuous look.
I don't know if I can get into it or not. Oh, no, I'm in. Ish.
Well, see, I've got mascara on, so I can't actually try it.
Well, I guess it's down to me then, eh?
I guess so.
Oh, you can talk about it. Is that good? Is that good?
The brush.
Go on, you can.
Let's have a little look. We've got a fairly standard kind of shape mascara wand, I would say there, which I've now got mascara on my hand.
So I'll just put my cap on backwards so I can get to it more. Darren, what to do with this and what to do? Just
kind of.
Eyes shut.
Open, usually. Kind of.
Well, then I'm not going to get on my brow. My.
I don't know what you think
I don't know. Ooh, look at them eyelashes. Just the tops or tops and bottoms?
Well, I do tops and bottoms, but I'll leave that up to you.
Oh, I've got my eyelids.
Chris is not a professional.
Okay, I thought I did okay on the top one, but my bottom one.
Yeah, you didn't do too great on the bottom one.
No.
I'm going to show the camera close up.
Yeah.
Let me see if it focuses on you. There you go. Does Chris's right eye look more beautiful and voluptuous than his left eye?
I mean, I did fluff it on the bottom.
Do you think you should do the other one?
I thought I did a good job on the bottom.
Fancy doing the other one?
Okay.
Another little bit of practice for you.
Okay. You can hold that.
Okay.
Oh, now I'm going across. This feels really weird. I go blind if I
just got myself on the actual viewfinder there. I look very pale. Need to get me some Florida sun.
I don't know if I've got any eyelashes on the bottom of the eye.
You have.
I'll do.
Let's see. Oh, beautiful.
Good.
Yeah. So you've practiced, you got a bit better with the second one.
Yeah, not too bad. I didn't get much on my bottom one.
Oh.
But I'm happy with the tops on the other side.
Okay.
Ooh, look at my lashes.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
Then sometimes what I would do with mascara is like put like another layer on.
Double up?
No, it's okay, you don't need to.
What, then let it dry and put more on? Okay.
Or just go
keep
straight
going,
back
keep
in.
going, keep going.
100 layers challenge.
Yeah.
Yeah. No.
Okay, so...
Beautiful.
Ta.
Beautiful.
Ta, very much.
Put me to shame. But I do look so pale on the camera. Why am I so pale?
So, next I'm going with a Brushworks massaging shampoo brush.
Yeah, so it's a scalp massager. It is worth £7.95. It says level up your hair care routine with this scalp massager from Brushworks. With a sleek and easy to grip design, this tool will stimulate healthy hair growth while keeping dandruff and oil build-up under control. So I think the idea is you use this
Look, I've got mascara on my fingernail.
While you're washing your hair.
You can't.
I suppose you can probably use it when you're not washing your hair,
yeah.
But it's a like little scalp massager, and as you can see by, I was just going to say, it's really easy to hold.
Tell them my fingertips going to show the back and the front. But I mean, would you go? No, you go that way, wouldn't you? You have to excuse. The reason I'm wearing a cap is because I'm due a haircut. Ooh, ooh, wow! Oh, look at it.
Well, it depends how hard you were pressing.
That probably not. Knowing me, I was probably pressing too hard. You know me.
You with your techniques.
Yeah.
Feels like it could be nice.
So yeah, does what it says on the top of
On the tag.
On the tag, I'm sure. Next. Oh, we've got 2 items left.
Okay.
This one is Christophe Robin Scrub Levant Perfumant, or a cleansing purifying scrub.
It's usually hair stuff, I think.
Sea salt.
Christopher Robin. Christopher Robin. I always want to call it Christopher Robin.
Christopher Robin. Directions: once a week, apply a tablespoon size onto wet hair.
Yeah,
massage, then emulsifying.
Okay.
Rinse and follow with the purifying gel to detangle.
Which we don't get, but you know.
Gelée.
This does say the cleansing purifying scrub contains exfoliating and soothing properties to rebalance and purify your scalp and leave your hair fresh, healthy and shiny, and this is worth £9. It's a deluxe sample size.
Weird, I say it smells quite nice and it's giving me a vibe or something. I don't think it's giving me the vibe of the dentist, which is a really weird thing to do.
No, I know exactly what you mean.
Yeah, it's a nice smell.
It does smell a bit like the dentist.
But a bit dentisty. So make that what you
want. It does.
Yeah.
That's really weird now you said it. It really does.
Yeah, that's something to use at the dentist. But so that's made with sea salt maybe, or maybe this is what they put on.
You're scared of the dentist, don't get this.
No, yeah, terrible visions.
I've had like one of their massaging scrubs before and it was quite nice, but obviously a lot of it didn't really go too far. And I've had a hair mask that was in a similar sized pot and I thought that wouldn't go too far and that actually lasted me a good little while, so.
I quite like that.
Okay, Chris likes it.
So yes, unfortunately, it's not something I can
try
demonstrate.
today. No, let's not.
I mean, my hair is getting long, but it's not that
I've
long.
washed mine today, so you're not putting any on it.
No. Right, last thing.
Last thing.
Ooh, I can play with. I think that's the last thing. Yeah, just now a box of.
Okay.
So,
oh, this is an either or product.
I'm guessing, is it colour wise, or is it? Well, this is Be Your Ink Readable Self with Nails.ink.
Okay.
London.
This is a nail colour in Mayfair Lane. It's a deluxe size and it's worth £11, and I believe this is the 3rd one of this exact colour I've had in a Glossybox.
I mean, obviously
and you've tried it on before.
I get quite aggravated actually about the stupid names of nail varnish, but that sounds familiar.
Yeah, Nails Inc. name them all after like streets and things in London.
Okay, because that makes perfect sense. Oh, Mayfair Lane, that must be I'm getting like a pinky colour.
But this is literally the 3rd one of these I've had now from a Glossybox, so that's a bit rubbish to be fair. It's a very nice like pink colour, but like I say, I've got 2 already. The other one that you could have got in the either or was a avocado primer. Oh my god.
What? We got the bad one.
We've got the bad one, yeah. Basically, this is £11 nail polish. I've had it the 3 times now. It's worth £11, or we could have got from the Beauty Crop an avocado primer worth £22.
And how much is this worth?
11.
Ugh. Rubbish.
No, I've already got it.
Would you normally put like several coats on? Or just the one? Okay.
2. I usually do 2. Don't worry, you don't feel the need to do 2.
Okay, how long does it take to dry like?
Nails ink tend to be about 60 seconds or so.
It smells like pear drops.
Don't eat it. I think you wanted to eat it last time we did the review on this. So.
It's just all nail polish smells like pear drops, and I like pear drops. Sorry, I was going to...
Okay.
I want to do a better job though, because that coverage is okay.
We'll speed through. Chris, putting more nail polish on.
I want to do it really quickly.
Bored Luna to sleep.
Sorry, Luna. Yeah, maybe it wasn't quite dry enough.
No.
But, Ooh. I mean,
it's kind of nice, like neutral colour.
Kind of skin tone. So let me see if I can. Wait, it's better. Is it gonna?
Sometimes it's because it's focusing on the background that you got. But it's like a nice neutral colour.
That's not a bad job, I'd say so myself.
I don't know. Okay.
It
probably looks better than the nail polish I've got, or not got on, as it were, today. So.
Okay, so and then the rest of the box filled with just crepe paper. So if you like offcuts and thingy, you're laughing. Loads of it there.
So our 5 products.
Are you rattling through them again or not? Or?
No, so we've got a face moisturiser that you don't eat, a mascara that's making Chris look very beautiful.
That you apparently don't put on your eyelids.
A nail polish, a scalp massager.
Which you don't press too hard.
But I imagine would go nicely with the scalp thing. So
that's why I've done it. Also don't eat. Apparently you can't eat any of it, none of it's edible.
None of it's edible, no. Yeah. So unfortunately. Drop us a comment and let us know what you think of the products in this month's box. Also drop me a comment and let me know if you think I should stick with Glossybox or if I should get rid. This box isn't really filling me with the want to keep it on, to be fair, because the 3rd time I've had that and it's a cheaper alternative. The mascara, I think I might have even had that before. Moisturiser, so I'm quite happy to get these bits, I suppose. So yeah, drop us a comment and let us know what you think of this box and whether I should keep it on, or is there a better box you think I should be checking out? Okay, what do you think then, Chris? I like the colours, it's very nice, like spring colours.
Yeah, that smells nice.
I'm going to give the scalp shampoo to Chris.
That's kind of my main takeaway. That reminds me of the dentist for some reason. I quite like it.
Okay, and you like the smell of the nail polish?
But then I always like the smell of the nail polish. So, yeah.
Okay, so if you enjoyed the video, guys, please do me a favour, hit that like button, give me a huge thumbs up, that'd be amazing. Subscribe, find out if I stick with my Glossybox subscription or not. Also drop us a comment of how beautiful you think Chris looks
see if I get any better at putting mascara on.
Okay, thanks for watching, guys, take care and we'll see you again soon. Bye.